You are welcome again. My topic is first short story The Adventures of Toto for students of class ninth. I have already taught you a part of the short story in my previous video. Let's continue. Here are some words that we need to know before reading the text of the story. The first word is release. Release means set free or to give someone freedom. Naked. Naked means nude or something uncovered. Wrench. It means a movement of pulling or twisting. Another word is escape. Escape means to run away. But in this lesson, the word escape has been used as noun. It means a passage or a hole or an opening that allows someone to escape. Trip. Trip means a short journey. Canvas. Canvas means a thick strong cloth. Another word is it's green. Green. A smile in which teeth can be seen or teeth are visible. Taken aback. It's surprised or shocked. Triumph. Triumph means victory or win, or we can say it means celebrating victory. Apparent means looking, and another word is hay. Hay means cut and dried grass for animals as fodder. हम इन वर्ड्स के मीनिंग आगे भी सीखेंगे while reading the text of the story. We are reading on page number 86. अपनी टेक्स्ट बुक अपने सामने रखिए. हमें पेज नंबर 86 से पढ़ना है. सी पेज नंबर 86. A few hours later, when grandfather and I came back to release Toto, we found that walls which had been covered with some ornamental papers chosen by grandfather now stood out as naked brick and plaster. The peg in the wall had been wrenched from its socket, and my school blazer, which had been hanging there, was in shreds. I wondered what grandmother would say, but grandfather didn't worry. He seemed pleased with Toto's performance. His clever said grandfather, given time, I'm sure he could have tied the torn pieces of your blazer into a rope and made his escape from the window. We are reading this story about a little monkey, Toto. In this story, Ruskin Bond is the narrator. He says that when his grandfather bought the little monkey from a Tonga driver, they kept the little monkey into Ruskin Bond's bedroom, and they tied the little monkey with a peg that was fastened in the wall. After some time, after a few hours, when Ruskin Bond and his grandfather came to see Toto, there in Ruskin Bond's bedroom, the walls were covered with some ornamental papers. But this time, when they came to see Toto, the walls were naked, they were uncovered because Toto had torn out all the ornamental papers. and Ruskin Bond's school blazer was in pieces. रस्किन बॉन्ड को थोड़ी सी परेशानी हो जाती है कि ग्रैंड मदर ने अगर ये सब कुछ देखा, दादी माँ ने, तो वो क्या कहेगी. बट grandfather was not worrying about this. He was content. He was pleased because of Toto's performance. उसने कहा कि अगर इसको और टाइम देते तो वो उन जो उसने ब्लेजर के वो टुकड़े बनाए थे, उन टुकड़ों से वो एक रस्सी बनाता और अपने लिए वहां से भागने का रास्ता तैयार करता. His presence in the house still a secret. Toto was now transferred to a big cage in the servants' quarters where a number of grandfather's pets lived very sociably together. A tortoise, a pair of rabbits, a tame squirrel, and for a while pet my pet goat. But the monkey wouldn't allow any of his companions to sleep at night. So grandfather, who had to leave Dehradun next day to collect his pension in Saharanpur, decided to take him along. Toto's presence in the house was still a secret. No one knew about Toto's presence. Only Ruskin Bond and his grandfather knew about Toto. They had kept his presence in the house a secret. They now transferred Toto to the servants' quarters where there were so many other animals who lived there very friendly. And among those animals there was a tortoise, pair means two, a pair of rabbits, a tame squirrel, and Ruskin Bond's pet goat. This little monkey, who was very mischievous, who was very naughty, didn't allow any of his companions, any of his companions to sleep at night. Next day, grandfather had to leave Dehradun because he had to collect his pension in Saharanpur. So he decided to take Toto along. उसने टोटो को अपने साथ ही लेने का फैसला किया. Unfortunately, I could not accompany grandfather on that trip, but he told me about it afterwards. A big black canvas kit bag was provided for Toto. This with some straw at the bottom. Because his new abode, when the bag was closed, there was no escape. Toto could not get his hands through the opening, and the canvas was too strong for him to bite his way through. His efforts to get out only had the effect of making the bag roll about on the floor or occasionally jump into the air, an exhibition that attracted a curious crowd of onlookers on the Dehradun railway platform. बदकिस्मती से रस्किन बॉन्ड अपने ग्रैंडफादर के साथ उस ट्रिप मीन्स ए शॉर्ट जर्नी, उस जर्नी में अपने ग्रैंडफादर के साथ नहीं थे. बट हिज ग्रैंडफादर told him all about the journey or that trip afterwards, after coming from the journey, after coming back from Saharanpur. They ordered a big black canvas kit bag for Toto, and they put some straw at the bottom of the canvas kit bag because it was first abode of the little monkey Toto. There was no any opening in the bag, and uh, Toto could not make any exit from the bag because the bag was very strong and it was very thick. Whenever Toto tried to get out of the bag would roll on the floor and sometimes it jumped into the air. जब भी टोटो ने बैग से बाहर आने की कोशिश की तो उसके जो एफर्ट्स थे, उसकी जो कोशिशें थी, वो बैग को सिर्फ जमीन पर फर्श पर रोल कराती थी या कभी कभार बैग हवा में जंप करता था। और इस वजह से जो देहरादून रेलवे प्लेटफॉर्म था वहां पे जो आने जाने वाले लोग थे उनका एक बहुत बड़ी क्राउड बन गई वहां पे। The poor man Toto remained in the bag as far as Saharanpur, but while grandfather was producing his ticket at the railway turnstile, Toto suddenly poked his head out of the bag and gave the ticket collector a wide grin. Grin means a smile in which teeth are visible. दांत दिखाना, एक ऐसे मुस्कुराना जैसे दांत नजर आए, दिखाई दे। जैसे ही ग्रैंडफादर को टिकट कलेक्टर को टिकट दिखाना था, टोटो ने कहीं से अपना सर बाहर निकाला बैग से और इस टिकट कलेक्टर की तरफ देखकर ऐसे मुस्कुराया कि उसे अपने दांत दिखाए। The poor man was taken aback, but with great presence of mind and much to grandfather's annoyance, he said, "Sir, you have a dog with you. You will have to pay for it accordingly." Ticket collector told grandfather that he had a dog with him, so he had to pay for it accordingly. In vain did grandfather take Toto out of the bag. In vain did he try to prove that a monkey did not qualify as a dog or even as a quadruped. Quadruped means an animal having 4 legs. चौपाया, उर्दू में इसको चौपाया बोलते हैं। Toto was classified as a dog by the ticket collector and 3 rupees was the sum handed over as his fare. Fare means a rent that we pay for traveling in any vehicle, bus, train, or any plane. There are so many other words like this. For example, we say FEAR, fear. Fear means a feeling of fear. या जैसे हम बोलते हैं FARE, fear. These words that are similar in sound, or we can say that are pronounced in the same way but different in meaning, are called homonyms or homophones. In the above, in the previous this paragraph, there is a word floor. There are 2 words like having same meaning. One is FLOOR, floor, and second one is FLOUR. One among them is it is a material that we use to make bread, and second one is जैसे हम बोलते हैं story, floor, यानी कि फर्श। फ्लोर जैसे होता है ना, जैसे हम बोलते हैं फर्श, तो इसी तरह से these words are called homonyms or homophones. Then grandfather, just to get his own back, took from his pocket or pet tortoise and said, "What must I pay for this, since you charge for all animals?" After that, grandfather took out from his pocket or pet tortoise and showed it to the ticket collector and asked him how much he charges for this animal, because according to him, he charged for every animal. No charge, it's not a dog. After that, the ticket collector looked at grandfather with a pleasant and triumphant look and said, "No charge, it's not a dog." When Toto was finally accepted by grandmother, he was given a comfortable home in the stable. Stable means a place where horses, mules, and donkeys are kept. Now Toto was transferred to the stable, where he had for a companion the family donkey Nana. There he had only one companion, and it was their family donkey Nana. On Toto's first night in the stable, grandfather paid him a visit to see if he was comfortable. When it was first night of Toto in the stable with Nana, grandfather went there in order to see if Toto was comfortable in the stable. To his surprise, he found Nana without apparent cause, pulling at his halter and trying to keep her head as far as possible from a bundle of hay. जब उन्होंने वहां देखा कि टोटो किस हालत में है, तो किसी अपेरेंट कॉज यानी कि किसी कुछ ऐसा कॉज दिखाई ही नहीं दे रहा था, लेकिन टोटो का सर जो था वो एक बहुत ही बड़े बंडल, हे मीन्स जैसे मैंने कहा कि इट्स कट एंड ड्राइड ग्रास फॉर एनिमल्स, ये कटा हुआ घास होता है एनिमल्स के लिए, तो उसी एक बंडल के नीचे उसका सर और वो पीछे की तरफ इसको खींच रहा था। तो कई पेरेंट्स या कई स्टूडेंट्स ने मुझे कॉल की और उनका कहना है कि उर्दू और कश्मीरी में मुझे ज़्यादा बोलना चाहिए, लेकिन कुछ उन पेरेंट्स से मैं कहना चाहता हूँ या उन स्टूडेंट से कि बहुत सारे ऐसे पेरेंट्स हैं या ऐसे ये स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो चाहते हैं कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इंग्लिश में ही बात की जाए। तो आप इस चीज़ को समझने की कोशिश कीजिए कि मुझे जहाँ पे लगता है कि उर्दू में बात करनी चाहिए या कभी कभार कश्मीरी में भी कोई बात करनी चाहिए, तो मैं वहाँ पे ऐसा करता हूँ। तो ये क्लास जो है फिजिकल क्लास के बराबर बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, लेकिन आप कुछ न कुछ इससे हासिल कर लीजिए। 2, 3, 4 बार भी अगर आपको वीडियो देखना पड़े, और जो कोई स्टडी मटेरियल आपको चाहिए यू कैन कॉल मी, तो मैं आपको पीडीएफ फाइल सेंड कर सकता हूँ। बाकी अगर कहीं पे कोई दिक्कत हो, कोई क्वेश्चन हो, कोई राय हो, तो उस सूरत में आप मुझे कॉल भी कर सकते हो। मेरा नंबर ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है। बाकी आज के लिए इतना ही। इस स्टोरी का जो बाकी हिस्सा है वो हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इंशाल्लाह कल पढ़ेंगे। सो फॉर खुदा हाफिज़।